Welcome viewers to Softedemy, a project control and engineering software academy and consultancy. Our today's topic is based on planning engineers interview assignment. So we have an assignment. I can show you this is an assignment I have received from somewhere else. And in this assignment, we have to perform 5 tasks. One is prepare a baseline schedule based on the activity and duration above. So these are activities and these are duration, and these are some dates have been given for the milestones. So the second task, we have to load this cost, this one planned cost. We have to load this planned cost is also called budgeted total cost. So the third task is we have to update the schedule according to these tasks which have been given. Will follow this one same. And fourth task is that we have to assign the milestone as but based on the actual execution. So it's like that one. We have to assign some more milestones. We can assign that one if we want to. That one will be, maybe you can call them as a control milestone if these are required. But these are the basic milestones which have been already given. You can also assign that one same one if it's if any it's written like if any are required or that one. So we'll consider that task as an optional task, but I will do and I will show you some examples so you can do that one. If somebody is just saying that assign some control milestones. So control milestones are those milestones which in which we monitor our project at the different intervals, and we want to just monitor out our KPIs and performance index and at a certain position at a certain month. So the fifth task is perform a progress S curve. So the progress S curve means that we will measure that our planned percent and earned percent, that will be also called schedule percent and our performance percent. So the last one is our EVA, our planned, actual and earned. You will draw that SPI, CPI over all indexes on base of S curve. So we'll do all 6 tasks in our today's video. This video can be utilized by any person who's a planning engineer is going for interview. So maybe you can get this same as it is this assignment, because this assignment can be just because it's now it's broadcasting now. So maybe people have an idea how to create a new assignment. So for the interviewers, this is an easy guide. So first of all, we'll see that what the project name is: construction of office building, and its scope is engineering, procurement, construction, and testing and communication and acceptance. And the third one is that one, what is their site working team time for 6 days for a week and 8 hours per day. First of all, we'll go here and in the calendars we'll create a calendar for that one. I will add here, and I will add here a calendar from there in 6 to 10 the calendar. So we'll assign that one 6 into 8. As you can see here, 6 into 8. So our first work while doing a project is 6 into 8 COP. So our first work in the project while we do a project is that we create a calendar. So everybody should know that how to create a calendar. So calendar is the basic one. So I have a calendar video, so you can watch that videos. I have given the link of that video is given in the description of this video. So I will not go in the detail when the work will start 8 o'clock or 4 o'clock. I will not go in detail because the video will be very lengthy. So we'll assign here Saturday as 8, Sunday as 8, Monday 8, Tuesday 8, Wednesday 8, and Thursday 8. So we'll see here that these are 6 working days and 8 hours per day, and we'll consider as Friday as off day. So we'll consider that one. So time period, the other one you have to adjust time period must, because if you haven't assigned this time period, so it will change your duration from there. So 8 hours per day will work, and we'll go here and the calculator will just calculate for a week. 8 into 6 is 48, and here we have 48, and then 8 into 26 is a monthly, and we have monthly 208, and these are 208. Now what is the next one? And yearly work is multiplied by 12. So we are not considering as public holidays because we haven't a lot of time to consider that one. So it's like 2496. So 2496. So we have just created our calendar. Next, assigned as a default. Now this is an EPS. You can get it from this one, this option project. So we have opened already Primavera P6 22.12 version. So we will add here a project. So you can press this one, and also you can press insert option from your keyboard also, and select EPS. This one is EPS is assignment. You can see here the project have been added. Next, We can assign a project ID. I will assign project ID as COB, and next one will assign as a project name. What is the project name? You can see here the project name is construction of office building. So it's office building, and now we'll go for next. And our what is the plan start date? We'll go here and see plan start is 17 December as a kickoff day. Kickoff meeting will consider as 17 December as our planned 17 of December. We'll consider this one. And what is must finish by? Must finish by, we'll see here 1 by 2024. Must finish, you must assign this one by 1 and 2024. So it's okay. Next, and we'll responsible manager. This is a separate topic I will not discuss here. Next one, rate should be fixed standard. Rates video have been already uploaded. You can see them. Finish. So I have already assigned 6/8 COB as my calendar, and now you can open this project. When you open this project, the next step you have to add there a WBS. So this one layout you can see here. This one construction of office building have been added. Now we'll add WBS. What are the WBS here? Milestone, mobilization. Third one is substructure works, superstructure works. So this all are our WBS. So what we'll consider, we will consider them, and I will just add them from here. And you can add insert from insert option. I will just go here and add insert option from there. This one all. And now I will add first of all this one milestone, and there is something I will not type because I have already copied it somewhere else, and paste this one, and now go down to level 1. So this is level 1. So whenever who is asking that make a schedule like the WBS 4, so you can understand from here when there is a value like 1.1, it means level 1. So if we have a dot 1.1, so it means level 2. So level 2 can be understand from there. So it's the next one is substructure. So we can add here substructure. So we'll go for that one bottom till the end. Add, copy all down. So there is also option to add them from array. From you cannot import WBSs, but there are options. Also you can add here the activity code instead of this one. Activity codes can be also added because it's not written that you have to assign WBS necessary. But I will just go for the basic because basically most of practices are based on WBS. Only CBS cost breakdown structure is based on your activity codes. So I will consider that that cost based only for the CBS for the activity codes only. So we'll add here all my required WBS here, which are on level 1, architectural finishes and fence and landscaping. The last one is and inspection acceptance. And this one is inspection and acceptance. So here I have added all my WBS as written in the sheet. You can see this sheet WBS as 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we should have 11 here WBS under this level 0. So we can go in the project. So we can in the activities we can see that all the projects. We'll press F5. So I'll be refresh. So if in your case these WBS are not shown because a lot of beginners they become crazy after they do not see this one. So go in the group and sort, just remove this one, hide if empty. So if it's not shown, so it's like that one option will be clicked. So group and sort should be WBS level 1. So we'll press OK. So this have been done. So I do not need activity % complete right now here. So I'll go here and in columns, and I will remove that one. Activity status I do not need right now, and original duration I need, and I will press OK. And now what the next step is, we have added our WBS. Now we'll add our activities here. First one activity I will add here for as an export. So whenever you add first activity, just run schedule. So we'll have to run schedule on 17 of December, which have been written here. You can see in first milestone 17 of December 2022. We'll go here in 2022. Yes, they here, and 17 of December. Also you can go and directly edit here also. It's an also option. So I have just haven't been practicing like that one. So I will do whatever it's easy for me. and convenient for you. You do what you like to do. So we'll export this one XLS file. I will just going for import and export. You can just go here and add activities here, all the listed activities. Like if you do not have an idea of how to import export activities, so you can just add here activities like manually add below. So you can add and write whatever you want from there. So this is one. I will export this one file, XLS file, and I will add here, add activities. We'll modify this one. We need all these one columns, like activity ID, WBS, code, original duration. Press OK. Do not need add start and finish like that one. So we'll go here and we'll go and paste in the S, open, next, save, finish, and now we'll open that file. So we'll go here. Also we'll open an Excel file. So here we'll add here some activities like that one. Like we'll add here this all, we'll convert this one file, this complete file into an Excel, so it will be easy for me. So I have just pasted in another system the file. I have already exported and converted that file from OCR. So we'll copy this one and we'll paste from here. Okay, so it's not like that one. I will copy this one and paste this one. So this one, you can see here the same, similar, all the tasks have been given. These are tasks. I will color this one task, all the tasks, task 2, task 3, task 4, task 5, task 6. And these are my WBS codes. Like these green are my WBS levels, not codes. Sometimes my tongue gets slipped, so avoid. Forgive us for that one. We will go for the RWBS 5, 6, 7, and now go for 8, 9, go for 9. So here what we need an extra, like this one is 3.3 and 3.1, 3.331. So it's like one similar same 3.1, 3.3. So we'll add here some more another WBS level. So we'll go here and you can see here from here in the WBS, I will add here substructure as a foundation, one foundation. We'll go here, copy this one foundation from here, and this one will paste here. We'll paste here this one foundation. So what is the next one? What we have to do? So we'll copy this one, like this one milestone, and right in front of this one. So milestone, copy and paste here. So we'll all the WBS in front of activities, like this one in front of activities. My step is like this one. So I will just copy all and do the same for that one, and we'll do for all this one. So I have already just done here. So the same one I will just do it here. So now I need here WBS code. These are WBS names, and these are WBS names, WBS names, and these are, I need WBS code. So here I need WBS code. What are the WBS code? I will go here in my Primavera P6, and here I will just copy all these one and will paste here, and I will remove space from here and replace all. Okay, press OK. So foundation, I need here foundation, and this one foundation I do not need here, this one, and foundation I need here foundation code. What is the foundation? And this one is foundation, and I need here foundation. So it will be like this one, foundation. So is equal to, and in sheet 2 I have to just copy this one codes and right in front of this one, and now we'll go here, right is the VLOOKUP. So what we have to VLOOKUP, we look up this one as in the next sheet, and we'll go for the 4 number column, and false if it's wrong, and we'll go for false if wrong. Just close this one. So if If it's error, remove. If error, then go for empty and close this one and go here, and we have all the, you can see here all my WBS code have been here. Now we'll write here activity name. What are activity names? So we'll remove this one 1.1 from here because we have converted that one. So what are the activity names? You can write any formula to do that one, and I will write here these are activity names. And now what are the activity IDs for that one? So you can also write A100 like this one activity IDs. We do not have any concern with that one, and we don't have any problem with that one. But I will just focus to just do that one, the similar same. This is 1.1, 1.1, this is like that one. So we'll go here as a text and 3.3.1, 3.3.2, and we'll remove this one. I had here 3.4, and this is like that one. All the everything has been written in the text form. So what is the next? This one is activity ID. Activity ID. So this one is our original duration, this one. So some maybe don't have any duration like this one. This activity don't have any duration. So we'll go here. We have just already exported the file which we have left there, COB activities. We'll open that file and we'll wait for that one. This one activity I have already added here. This one activity WBS code, this activity name which I have been already written. I will just go here and just I will just make them as a filter. I will apply a filter here and just go for I will remove from here all the blanks, and we have some data here. I will just go here and also I will remove foundation from here. I do not need foundation. So we'll go here, copy this one, and first of all these are activity name, we'll paste here. The next one I will just copy here activity ID, this one activity ID, and just go here, copy this one and paste here activity ID. Now the next one I need here, this one I need here, this need to be converted to text here, and everything is in text. Okay, the next one I need my WBS code here, copy this one all and paste here. The next one I need here are my original durations, and copy this original durations from here. Do not see if there is empty or not. Copy this one and paste here original durations. So we'll change them into numbers and then into text here. So everything has been done. Control S, save, close the file. Do not need to change for the not started or any whatever you want. So we'll go here in the activities. No activity have been added here, but we have to go here and import the file and XLX file, and the file have been in the S. With the S, where is S? And there is S. COB dash activities open next, and we'll go here activities next and we'll import to the same similar project. So we'll go here next, finish. When we finish, you can see all the activity will be added here. So close the file. You can see here this one 1.1, this one is 1.2, this is 2.3, and there is a 4.1. like there are some errors, so I that's why I avoid to write anything like which is more complicated to make all my activity IDs very complicated like that one. You can see here it will also create a mess while I just import and export my all the. You do one thing I should do. I should go here like what I should do. There is something else I can do. I will just select all these one, delete this one, and now we'll go here the same file, and I will just go here same file, and I will just go here, copy this one and just drag this one down. I will not write something like that one which will be difficult. So save this one, so it will be more easy. So also we'll make something like copy this one. Okay, do not worry, we can take this one from other side also. So this one, we'll save this one and go file, import and sheet, and now in this desktop finish activities next, because activity IDs are should be unique, because activity IDs are basic value import and export. It's very basic what I consider. So delete this one, I do not need this one. So you can see the project have been created. Maybe this one you can add a user defined field and you can add here, that's one, it's not a big issue. So these activities is start milestone, and this one is finish milestone because of approval drawing, it's finished. This one mobilization is a finish milestone, and this one mechanical completion is also finish milestone, and this one is acceptance of certification is also a finish milestone. So this one we have all milestone. Well, we have to do status, this will start on 17, and this approval of drawing should be done on what is the date, it's on 2nd of February 2023. So we'll go here and assign a constraint, finish on before 2nd of February 2023 4 o'clock, it's okay. The next one is constraint on 15th of February 2023, finish on or before, what is 15th of February, 15th of February and Feb 2023. So it's like that one. So we'll check the time. Okay, so the next one is 15 of, we'll go here and we'll go here, change here 15 of February 2024, here 2024 is the same one, and the time have been set here. So you can also here, and time you can also here. So this one, last one, I don't need because I have already assigned a constraint in our project as must finish by. So land clearance. So first of all, what I follow the steps. So I assign all the activities which have dependency on the milestone. So this activity which is initial acceptance of certification. So what I am doing, I am just doing the task 1 CPM scheduling. So I am just creating the schedule. So I will assign all the dependent predecessor on it. Mechanical completion, on mechanical completion, these are dependent milestone. So this is maybe considered as the task number 4 also. Mobilization, when the mobilization will be completed, I will consider this one mobilization, this one temporary, and this one 3 activity mobilization. Approval of drawing I need on finish of the land clearance, and kickoff I will consider as a kickoff successor as approval of shop drawing and mobilization, and land clearance setting up offices and temporary fencing. So we'll consider, and F9 I will go here, right here, and in options I will go here, and in options I will just go here, schedule automatically. So whenever I will make changing, so there will be some schedule and update here. So we have a 340 days of float right now, and on this activity there we have like 32 days float, and we have to just finalize 32 days float from here. So first we have to do like land clearance. What our first activity should be, we will set offices on the side, and when we set offices on the side, so we'll just go here, right, I will press on control and press this one, and I can also link from here whenever I will link. So you can see this activity started setting out, and then it's land clearance. And also I will say that after setting up offices, temporary fencing should be start. I will just click on this one, and also I can assign this one. So this activity will be started like this one and this one also. Okay, so you can see here this one, like when we go here, the links you can see here, the links are very clear. You can see here the links are very clear. So this activity 20 days duration, 10, 20 and 20. So this have been reached up to 19 of January, and this has been reached up to 31 of January. So what we will do here, so to make them the clear, what should we do? So the activity should be completed on 15 of February to make this one a critical. So I have 13 days. So how I'll manage that one? So to manage that one, what I consider, this one 20 days and this one is 20 days, is 31 days we have reached. So we have 10 days. So what I can do, land clearance and temporary. I will just assign this one like this one. So we'll go here, link this one. So you can see here 3 days float remaining. It's still 12 days we have, and also we'll just go here and change this one. 12 days still there are 12 days for that one. So land clearance, setting up offices, and now these 3 days float have been remaining. We have to adjust 3 more days for that one. And now what we can do from here, because all are aligned, are very aligned to this one. So what we can do for that one, and what is the more compatible. So we'll go here and see, it's 15. Okay, so 3 days we have. We'll also verify if there is not an issue with calendar. So sometimes maybe there are issues with calendar also. So this issue dependent on the, like, modify 6 days working days, work week. Okay, so there is no issue with that one. So where these 3 days will be, so what I can do, and when we start setting up offices, I take 3 days to start, like this one. So you can see here these 3 days to start. Now also approval of shop drawings. So approval of shop drawings maybe can be done up to after excavation. Do it like that one. Setting off of landscaping. So you can also do it like that one. No issue. I will just go here, assign as a excavation. So when we assign this one, so it will be also go to 0. So we'll go here, and this one land clearance, and there I will just go here, land clearance, and I will just go for negative lag, no issue. Here we have here, because we have to match that 2nd of February. So this one is 0, this one is 0. We have matched 2 dates. We have just created some critical path. So this one path have been created, land clearance. After land clearance, excavation will be done. Now when the termite treatment should be finished, I will just make it link with that one, and now we'll link this one, backfilling also with termite, this one, and form work will also combine these two. Let's only do it on the WBS basis. What I considered only WBS basis. Also just press shift down and link all them, and wall masonry, roof slab. So just do it first of all this one. So after that one we'll just link without add external links. Okay, we'll just link this one, link, and the next one link this one, then link this one, and the last one link all this one. Okay, we have linked all that one. So after backfilling we have to perform the form work. So we'll link this one now, and now after that concrete, because it's foundation, we'll do for the ground floor. When we link this one, you can see here it's just going upward. And now wall masonry, this one wall is just you can consider as a roof wall. So also we'll consider that one after the concrete of the second level. So this one is level, not 1. So because maybe we have an issue of this one. So when will be brick wall will start? I will just go here after the completing of this one, assigning this one brick wall and link this one. And when this one linked, I will add here 15 days of lag, because after completing there will be deshuttering and of that flow, so it will take 15 days almost. So when you will see that this activity will started here and will finish up to the brick wall or wall masonry, so here, so this is the safe side. So it will not mean that we have this one. So also this activity should also finish after that complete. So it's look like that one, it's similarly finishing after that one. So electrical and lighting work will be started with the like brick wall. I will just link with that one. And now, okay, it will be linked like we have float of 197 days. And now what we have to do, electrical and lighting work, I will just and what supply, I will just start these both activities, and will finish both activities combinedly. And this one HVAC work can also firefighting, these both work can be started, and equally it will not like a waterfall type and fire detection system, it can be also start, and voice data, it can be also start. This one can be done like that one. So what we have right now, so HVAC work, and this one, what we'll do it like this one can be start, like we have electrical work, what we can do, it's finish to start, we'll do finish to finish, and we have a lag of 20 days, because at that what we can do at that position of brick wall, so there are some electrical work, and after that one there will be some lightning work. So lightning work we cannot be done with that one. So there will be also like plaster work also. You can see here plaster work, I will also consider that plaster work. First of all, I will just link with this one with the plaster work, because this is also dependent on that one. So link this one, and after plaster work I will consider this one. Okay, so I will consider this one assigned after the plaster work. So linking, it's dependent on the site information and your technical team information. So it have been linked with that one. So I will just remove this one, relationship do not have any concern. And now I will add here, after like plaster work and painting work, we take on 10 days more. Okay, so 10 days we can assign some necessary appliance like that one. So we will just HVAC work will do, and also at that position what we can do here also, the firefighting should be like finish to start. So we can see here 3 days float have been exceeded. So for that activity we'll change here it is 13 days. So it's like that one 13 days. So when we consider this one 13 days, HVAC work, float tiling, so it's all the same. So zero float we have considering here zero float, but you can see here activity are not just going to be red. Why it's not going to be red? User preferences will here show here my decimals into 2, and so I can see here my decimals. So I will just go here and write here 13.25. So it will be go to red. So red means it's critical. So what we'll do here next, user preferences will remove here this one 0, and now this have been done. Floor skirting and tiling work have been done. So when the landscaping should be started and done, 70 days we have 70 days. So whatever it's 90 days. So this one is 30 days, and whenever an HVAC work will be started on 9th of December. So we'll start with the HVAC work. It's up to you. It's up to you. Link this one. And now, whatever I'm just considering, and this one inspection of with client. So I will just assign all activities, landscaping and fencing, this one floor skirting, wall plaster, and all these activities. So it will also increase your finish to start relationship also. So there are some matrices, like people say that this matrix, this matrix, this matrix. So all these matrices will be clear from this one. So whenever you assign this one at last this one, so it will also increase your finish to start. Rather, it will increase your redundant relationship, but it will also help you out in it will also help you out in increasing of your finish to start relationship. So inspection, so we have a 24 days come up with so road asphalt work should be started with somewhere else. So if it started somewhere else, so we can have a 14 days, it's like that one. So we can start it with the not HVAC, we can start with water supply. So we decrease that one. So 14 days float, we have 14 days float. So 14 days float, because we have to adjust that float also 14 days. And what we can do, we can just go here and assign punch listing with start to start. Okay. So when we'll do this one, so it will just decrease this one. So whatever we have to do, one day we have a float for that one day, and how can we cover that one? So what we'll do, and what is the easy method which we can follow, and what is the easy method? What is the easy method? I will just go here and assign one day here. Okay. Door work, this one, floor skirting work, and also floor skirting work after that one. Ceiling work, can we start after that one? Like this one, ceiling work. Can we see here if we start ceiling work and this one after in the line? Okay, so after that one, ceiling work will be started and the door work will be finished with that one. And you can link this one like that one, door and window work, and it should be finished with the not ceiling, it should be finished with the not in the predecessor, it should be in the successor. I hope it will not make a loop. And finish to finish. Okay, so we have a 13 days float here. And now landscape here, roof waterproofing. So at roof waterproofing there is no concern of another item, it's okay. Electrical work is okay, wall plaster work and electrical work is continued, and it will be finished after that, wall plastering and painting work and HVAC. So this is as a dummy schedule, so we will not focus that what the critical part, but I am just make to focus that to increase that one to I want to increase the accuracy. So a planner who is just giving an interview, so he might just get stuck. So I don't want him to be stuck in that position. One thing I am just preferring is that one, this roof water, so this line wall masonry is not critical. So this line, because this is the major one part, so it should be critical, what I consider. And in that case, because in this line, brick wall will be after critical, as we have any sense that brick wall should be started after the ground floor level. What makes sense, if you haven't started brick wall after your ground floor level, so the project may be delayed, because when you have an horizontal development, so you will go upside, but if your brick wall is not started with that one, so you will be delay in your architectural work. So it makes sense that if your brick wall has been not started, so you will not perform your plastering work, your paint work, your tiling work, your other all HVAC work and electrical work. So it makes sense that this is critical path. So also these are critical also. This one, so this is our CPM scheduling have been done. So what about the cost? The cost have been not uploaded. So what is our next task? we have done this one, prepare a baseline schedule based on the activities and duration above. So we have completed this one. So for the cost loading, we'll go here in the resources and we'll add here a resource like for example, I will add here a resource of cost. I have already added here a resource. So the cost resource have been added here, cost C-01. So the standard rate should be like 1. So I have just removed here currency. So before assigning any cost values, so just go here and change your currency. So if you haven't changed or created your currency, so you can just go here and add admin preferences here and currencies like due to fast moving. Even Primavera is not supporting, and you can add here. Also, do not change the exchange rate. Exchange rate should be 1. Do not go Google and just see what the exchange rate is. So do not do this type of stuff here. So here I have added a resource, and what we'll do, we'll just create here we have cost here. This is planned cost. This planned cost is also called my you can say has a budget total cost. So I will just verify my cost is equal to sum. So I will go here and create a sum. So I have just taken this file, this data from this PDF sheet, the scan sheet, and I will copy paste this one. So the cost, both costs have been verified. This is the budgeted cost. I will just break down somewhere cost like this one. This is 26,000, and at this position, like it should be breakdown here like this one. It should be breakdown here like this one. So I have an excavation cost PCC, and that's then like other activities, the cost should be breakdown here. So we'll just go here and break down all my cost which are necessary costs. Like first of all, I will just break down this one cost. Which one the cost I have to break down first of all? This one 20,000, 26,000, and we'll start from here. Cross verify. Where is mobilization? Okay, so here I have just applied the filter, so I'm just getting confused. Okay, so here you can see here the filter have been applied. So on the WBS level below, like this one WBS level, so we have a division here. We need division here. I will just go here and hide this one, and now under this one I will create some weights. So I will go here, rate here for weights. So what are the weights you will ask from your when you are doing professional work? So you will ask that what the weight should be like, and you will add here some weights. So on the basis of that weights, you can just get here the exact value, or like percentage, how much percentage for setting up offices, how much percentage for the temporary fencing, like that one. So we'll convert that one. I will just assign some weights. So this is 100%, this is 100%. So I will assign here weight, like I will assign 2 or 5, 2 or 5. There is no cost for the backfilling here. And now what is for the this one here, I will assign 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3. So it's like that one. So what about the external wall masonry? I will assign here 2, 4, 4 and 1. Whenever you increase this one weight factor, so it will increase. So also you can assign here percent also. I am assigning here a weight 1 to 3. You can also assign it like a number. So all these have where each value, like activities have value, like this one activity have value. So we do not need to change here. So I will just only convert these activities only. So I will create here a sum of these below, and this one, and like we will do here, and sum for all, and sum for the similar like this one, and just change the formula from here, and like I will go here sum for all this one, and sum up to here. I am just creating a weight, so you can also create weight. It will take some time. I will apologize for taking you too much time, and watch the completely video, and do not forget to press like option. So it will not take your time to press that like and sharing. So I think we should support someone who is just doing or supporting others, and I think we should, and without any benefit. It's like that one. We are not getting any benefit from this one. So we'll just go here and we'll just divide this one, and divided by this one is our weight, total weight, and we'll just go ahead and assign dollar. So it's the fixed, and then also this is also fixed. Okay, both are fixed. We have this value, and the last one will multiply with the weighing unit. This one 1, so it's like that one. Okay, that's okay. So when we total here, you can see 160,000. Okay, so the next one, I will copy this one and paste, copy and paste this one here. And here I have 24. I have to write here 24, and I will write here 24, and the similar it will be done here. And similarly I copy here and just paste here, and for here I will write here 28. Formula will change here 28, and we'll do same for the all these activities. So it will be also converted. Copy paste this one, and we'll do for 35. And this one is 35, and it's done. So it's like this one. And when we total, we'll see total here 80,000. You can see here total 900,000. So there is some mistake I have done, 160,000. So I will just go for the E, not F, because I'm just going for the we are going for the planned budget. And this one is for E, not for F. This one for E, not for F. This one I was just making mistake. So after just assigning, so we can just get into trouble. I will also verify here also this one. So this one I have done all the weights conversion, and I will just go here, copy this one all, and paste in with these values here, and just go here in the top, and I will copy this formula and paste here, and I will see that what is the total 46430, and 00 will copy this one also, will paste this one also here. So this is 461. So there is still missing some cost, so we'll go here and verify where the cost had been missed. Maybe somewhere else we are not getting exact cost. Okay, so copy this one instead of this one. Just go here, this one cost and this one cost have been matched now. So we'll just go here and unhide this one, and now we can see here all you can get this one. This one is our budgeted cost here. So to assign budget cost here, we'll go here in Primavera P6. I'll just go here and export a file as XLS file. Next here, and activities, I do not need activity resource assignment. Export the file. Next, and add here a file here which the name of add cost, and you can go here units. I need here only budget units is very important for me. Activity ID, resource ID, activity ID, and budget units. I do not need something else. So we'll go here next. I will paste here in the desktop S and close this file and go here in the S. I will open that COB resource assignment. So in the resource ID, what I have to type here, resource ID, I will go here in the Primavera P6 in resources. You can see here C-01. I will copy this one and paste here. And what are the activity IDs? We'll go here and just go here and see what are the activity IDs. Activity ID, I need to match that activity IDs. Okay, I'll copy this one activity IDs here and just go here in the Primavera P6, not Primavera P6, it's Excel sheet here. Just go here, find and replace, and this one replace all. And now, and I will just go here and copy this one copy, and now we'll paste here this one here. And now I will go here in front of, what I will do, I will do here activity ID. I will add here activity ID. Okay, so we'll go here and VLOOKUP and is equal to if there is kickoff, and then we'll find out kickoff, and we'll just go here, and what is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 number column, 7 number column, and if there is activity not matching, write false, and select that one. There is error of the name. Okay, so if activity is F6, what is 6 0 6 number 0 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so it's 0 for the, what is 0, why it's 0? If activity is equal to this one, B to H, and 2 3 4 5 6 7, it's 7 not 6, it's 7, so it's like that one. 1001, so it's like that one. All have been done here, and if error you can also apply. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go here and just remove the blanks from here, and just I will copy. Also I will remove not available from here. Okay, so we'll copy from here this one. Now copy from here and we'll paste here this one. What are these on? Activity name. I do not activity name. I only need activity ID. I will copy this activity ID and paste here this activity ID, and now I will just go here and this one are budget cost. I will just copy this budget cost, and you know what, we have done something else mistake. I will just go here, remove this one, clear filters, this one. I have to apply the filter also in the cost also. The filter should be applied in the cost also. So it will be easy. So there will be no big mess. Here I will just go here and press filter, make the sound louder so you can clearly listen what I am just talking. Here I will add here filter, and the filter, and first of all I will remove where there is no cost. Okay, blanks. Whenever we remove the blanks, I do not need to remove anything else. So these are activities, and copy these are activity IDs, and remove this one and paste these are activities. Okay, so paste this one, copy this one again, and paste these activities here, and now we'll copy all the cost here, copy, and this one cost will be in the budget units, and it should be in hours. And now this one activity ID which have been copied for the, for what we have copied for the cost, I will change here to the number. It should be that number, then we'll change to text, it not matter. Control save. So this cost, it should be like 6476000. It should be confirmed. Control save S. We'll go here in Primavera P6. Next, import the file, XLS file. Next, and now we'll click here, and in desktop there is a file S, and here resource assignment, open. Next, and save resource assignment, and click here, update existing, and this one should be like that one, finish. Okay, so there are some issues. No issue, it should not be like that one. And what is the total cost here? We'll go here top 599600. So there is some cost which haven't been loaded, and for the concrete curing, what are the concrete curing? Because I think so, why this called concrete pouring and curing, 160,000. Why this cost haven't been loaded? So maybe sometimes it may be in issues like that one. So you can assign here, and assign from here. You can also assign manually here, 160,000. Also for this one also you can add here 160,000, and now let's go 160, and this one is also 160,000. So it's like that one, 160. It's like that one. So we can see top 6476000. So we have a total cost similar as the planned value cost. So before doing that one, I can just verify 2 February, 15 February, 15 February, 30. So it's like that one. So you are thinking that this guy have applied for the constraint, so that's why this value are fixed. No, it's not like that one. I will remove constraint from here. Now you can see this value will be remain there. This is a trick I have learned after a lot of time, and I'm just giving this one free. So this is like that one. So the float is higher, it's a meaning of that one. So it's like that one. You can see here all the schedule is similar. You can schedule this one. If you schedule the same one, similar, which was required by the task who have granted this task. We have done task 1, we have done task 2. What was our task 1? Prepare a baseline schedule based on the activity and duration above. The second one, I have just cost load the activity with the given planned cost. Okay, given planned cost which have been done for the budgeted total cost. I will go here in the projects, and I will just go here and make a copy of that project here, and I will just go further its monitoring phase. This one is version 22.12 I'm using. Thanks for watching Softedemy. I will just consider and go ahead. So this is my schedule. Now I have to just go for monitoring stage. Update in schedule the actual work done and the actual cost. And in this case, I will just go here and maintain the baseline. First of all, for monitoring, we have to maintain baseline, convert the same copy as the baseline. So the same copy as the baseline, and I will just close this one, and I will assign the baseline, and we'll consider this one as a baseline and add this one. And now I will add here this one, press OK. So what we'll do here, and the parse, we have to show our baseline here, and I will just go here and show the baseline. I will just make it thick and change it the color to this one, so our baseline should be appear here. So you can see here baseline, the baseline color is not, it's awkward. I will just go here, change something which is just more convenient, like this one. Okay, so this is our baseline. Okay, so red one is our critical remaining, and this one green is our non-critical. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just 2.3. What is 2.3? We'll go here, and what is 2.3? It's activity A10008 and activity A10008, this one activity. So up to this activity, we don't have any changes. We'll consider and select all these activities, and we'll go here for there is a tool update progress, and we will update for 23rd of January 2023. And we'll apply this one, all highlighted activity, and it will update. So the blue line means you have updated the activity. And the next one is that one. Just go here. You can see here the activity status is for that activity landscape. Okay, so the activity should be like small. Okay, there should be some small. Click and just go here, activity update progress, and apply. And now what about this activity? We'll read here that this activity should have actual of 15 days. So what we'll consider after the completion of this activity, like this activity have at completion of 15 days. Okay, so we have completion of 15 days. We'll go here of 15 days of this activity, like this one, and this method you will not find from anywhere else. This is my Softedemy's own method. Okay, so this one is update this one, and updated my 2.3. What is the next one? 3.1. And what is the 3.1 saying? Like 3.1 is excavation. So we have already updated, we have done a mistake, and how to recover that mistake. And 3.1, we have 20 days. So what are the days have updated for? We have updated 20 days. So on 20 days, if we have 20 days, if it's not finished and it have 20 days, 16 days yet, we are still here, 20 days at completion. And now, okay, so we'll go behind some days, like I will go here maybe 2 days behind. So it's like that one. So now I will select this one up to here, and now we can just go here, backfilling. What is the backfilling? It at completion should be same 5. Okay, so make sure at completion should be equal to original. Do not change that one. Okay, This is the rule. Not rule, this is for this assignment rule. Because the specific which you want to do, or you want to achieve the accuracy, so you have to do that one. Okay, so updated, I have updated excavation for the 10 days. Okay, it's have been updated for 10 days. Okay, wait, I have to again unstart this one, up to date for 20 days. Okay, so we'll update this one on like this one. Okay, just go behind for 2 days, and just go behind for 2 days, because go behind more, and 8. Okay, so here I have excavation of 20 days. First of all, I will write here 20 days. Okay, now backfilling as 5 days. Okay, it means the activity should be completed. Okay, this one backfilling should be completed. Now it like that one. Just go here, activity here, go here, update progress, apply. Okay, the activity finished. So what is the next task? Go behind, go below. The next task is 3.1, 13 for 35,000. I will just do that one later. Actual cost is not a big deal. I will go here in the sheet. What we'll see here, the task. 3.1 have been done, 4.5, 3 and 4.5. What is 4.3 and what is 4.5? 4.3 and 4.5. 4.3 and 4.5. It's level, this one form work, and 3, this one form work, level 2 form. What is that one? And we have to do for 10 days for that one. Go here and schedule. Level 1, level 2. Okay, this one, update this one. We'll go here and update this one. Apply, and this one has 10 days. You just go here and apply. Okay, what is the currently? It have 30 days. Go here like this one, and see if there is another activity is not started. Like, other activity. If the other activity started, it will be a big mess. Update this one. Apply. Okay, so at completion, go for the at completion. Again, we have done mistake. What mistake we have done? Form work rebar. This one was like original duration was 10. We have just go for this activity. We'll just go here and not started this activity. We have to remove this actuals to 0, and now we'll go here and assign this one. We'll go here resources. I will just go here regular units to 0. And now we'll go here started and not start this one activity, and now we'll go backward where we have to go for form work 21 May. We have to run schedule on 18 of May. 18 of May. I have to run the schedule on 18 of May schedule, and now on 18 of May make that activity in progress first, then schedule again. Okay, and just finish that activity at completion in 10 days. Okay, so when you complete that activity in 10 days, now you can just select this one and now update this one. Don't use this method in your normal updating procedure. Again, we have done mistake, but this time I will recover, and I will just write here as get completion is 10 days. Okay, so actually is 10 days. Okay, 10 days. Also will check only also previous one. This one is 10 days. Now the real duration is also changed now. Excavation, what was the excavation original duration? We'll go here 10 days, and 3.1 we have to done here. 3.1 we have to change 20 days. Okay, so also there was 2.3 2.3 was temporary offices. It was 15 days actual. And what was its 20. So real duration should be remain 20. So it should be 20. Okay, we are here at the concrete pouring. So we'll just go here concrete pouring, and we'll just go here and update up to this one. And here I will go here update this one up to highlighted, update. Okay, actual have been applied. So this activity should be completed at completion at 10 days. And now at 10 days, this activity when it will be finished. And what about the ahead? Ahead we need at the task number 7, we need to change the activity task number 7. There is no other duration. Task number 7 is what is the 7? So overall duration extended by 60 days. So overall duration, it's saying that for the 7 overall duration extended by 60 days. So we have to increase 60 days for that one. So we'll add here, no issue. So what is for the 7? What is the 7? 7 is our electrical mechanical work. 7.1, 7.2. So up to here. Okay, we'll just go here and up to date this one, apply. Okay, so what we have to do, extend this one. How many activities are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll add here 70 days for this one, 70 days for all, only for the activities in progress. Okay, 70 days for this one. Okay, now we'll go here and schedule, automatic scheduling should be done. And now update this one up to here. Okay, so remember that what we are doing that for 7, not for 8.2. What is 8.2? What 8.2 is, actual is 8.2 also we have to consider. Wall plaster work, floor skirting work should be 8.2 should be 30. Wall plastering work should be, actual should be 30. So there is no dependency on that one because this is not a most critical section. So we'll just go here and 30 we'll put, because it's not based on that one. Okay, so 30 we'll put here 30 days. And before that one was oh, this activity is not started yet. Why we are just going and just deleted that one? Okay, 8.2, 60 days. Okay, 60 days. Just go here when the activity will be, this activity will be started. Update this one up to here. And this one activity one will go here in the update progress and update this and apply this one. And now add this one HVAC 10 days more. At completion should be 40. Okay, 10 days more I have added here. And now also this floor and skirting work should be finished in 30 days. Adds written for the 8.2. You can see here 8.2. Then the last one is 10.2. It's ahead. Okay, the next one you can see here. We'll finish this one and we'll go here. Update. No, apply. Now what we have to do, firefighting 10 days, it should be 70 days because 60 days we have to increase overall, 70 days. And now this one is also 70 days. Now the activity will be finished on this days. And now we'll go here, update progress here, apply. Okay, so what is the next one? inspection, punch listing. So the punch listing, what is the punch listing? And we'll go here, punch listing 10.2, punch listing clearance will take 60 days more. Oh, it's 60 days. Just go here in progress and update progress, apply, okay. So it will take 60 days. We'll go here, punch listing, we'll go here for 60 days this way. And now just go here and just complete this project now. Last activity has been done as progress. So do not focus on cost right now. Cost will update it later. But while doing progress in daily works, we have to update this one like that one. Okay, do not miss this one. Okay, press apply, okay. So this one schedule has been finished. So you can see here actually the project has finished on 22 of June 2024. So we'll go ahead and add a column for the baseline here. Baseline, we can add here baseline BL project finish, BL project start. So it will also tell you that what was our baseline start, what was our baseline finish. So when are we finishing right now? So we just finished on, we should finish on 2024 30 April. So we are just got delay like this one. So it's the similar, like we have just finished the project. So what we have to do, match here what is our actual cost here, column here, we'll add here column and cost, and when we go here actual total cost here, apply, okay. So actual total cost is still less. Why it's less? Where are the issues? We'll resolve that one. This one activity have issue, no issue. We'll go here in the resource assignment, and also there is an option you can go here and add actual units from there. Okay, so this will not create a huge mess, and I will just go here actual cost. So calculate this one actual cost from here. So it will also calculate from there. So this one 35,000, 3.1, 35,000. Go here and just write here 35,000. And also this one is task 4. What is the task 4? And it's 9,000, 900,000. We'll go here 900,000. Okay, we'll move from here. And what is the 900,000? This one 900,000. So I will just create same distribution for the not E, not for F. So we'll create for this one, and now we'll create for the instead of N, not N. Okay, this one for the and not L, it's L. Okay, so this one is the 900,000. So it's 120. It's like 120 here. You can add here like import from here. I will just go here and I have just added here the cost. This one is mistake. Okay, so just don't follow this practice. Okay, fill down. The cost should be placed like here, not there. So it's 900,000. Okay, so this one is closed. Now what is the next one? And 230 for 8.2. 8.2 is floor skirting. Floor skirting. This one is floor skirting and tiling. This one is 230. 230, 23. And now what is total cost? Total cost is not still matched. We'll just cross verify 35,000, 26,000, 300,000. Okay, so what is complete pouring? Okay, so this place like foundation is 300,000 and 900, 800, 900 and 300, 220 and 350, 530. Okay, this activity needs to be changed. 530 and 330 is like that one. 530, 230 and the last one is 280. So this one go down 1890 will go here top 6691. Okay, so this activity cost and this total cost, actual cost have been matched now. And you see 6691 000, 6691 000. This one is our actual cost match right now. We'll go here in the activities. You can see here actual cost is equal to what was our assigned task. So we have just finished this one, the 3 tasks like 1, 2, 3, and adjust the milestone if any based on the actual execution. So during execution, if there are milestone like required, so you can add here like milestone if you require like right now there is no impact of milestone, but I can show you. You can add here milestone like control milestone for the finish of superstructure like this one. I want to see that finish of superstructure. Okay, so if the control milestone was required, so you can add here that this one should be like a finish milestone, and it should be like go here in the relationship, and you can assign this one as a, you can here assign here as a, you can add here both one. Okay, so whenever you will just go here, it will not schedule here right now, but when you are just ahead this one, you are behind this one, so you can add this one milestone right there. So right now there is no benefit of this one, but when you are just in progress and just doing your project, so you can assign control milestones. So these are control milestones. So people consider that these internal mediums are their control milestone, but these are not control milestone. Control milestone are the just at any stage you want to monitor your project, and at any milestone or at any completion of work like external wall and finish, so you want to control its progress. So when the roof slab will be finished, so you can assign that control milestone at that position. So after a month finish, like January month finish, you want to check that what is the progress, so you will assign that milestone like that one. So our next task is to perform progress S curve. So the progress S curve, how will create progress? It should be created with the project, but I have just completed the project, so I feel that it should be necessary to do that one. I will just go here and just go here. I will just go here and spreadsheet. I will assign a spreadsheet. In your case, there will be budgeted units. So we'll go here in the spreadsheet field, and in the time interval, you will go here in the earned value. You will assign planned value cost, earned value cost, and actual cost. So assign these 3 from there, and just change that time scale into month. So I will just create on the base of month. So there are a lot of months, so I will just create that one easy. So there will be construction of offices building on the top, and you will see that the project have been started on the December. So there you can see here, these are the completely progress, these are the cost, which one planned. So before doing that one, because planned value cost, because if you have assigned here baseline, like this one baseline haven't been assigned, so your planned value cost will be not according to baseline. So this planned value cost, this one planned value cost is according to the baseline which we have assigned. Like if I go here in the maintain baseline, not maintain baseline, if I remove from here assigned baseline, like if I remove from here this one, and you will see here on the top, and when I will remove here assign baseline from the project also, the project baseline is important, and when we remove this one, and you will see here your planned value cost is equal to your earned value cost here. Okay, so you are not allowed to remove this one. Okay, we'll assign this one. Okay, and assign this one primary also. Primary, I will tell you this concept later on, because there are a lot of concept in the planning field. Okay, so we'll go here and shift press, select all, press up to December, and this one month have been already selected. So December to June I have selected, copy, and I will paste here in the Excel sheet. Okay, this one Excel sheet I have pasted. So here what I have from December to June 2024, I have all my planned value cost, actual cost, and earned value cost. So first of all, I will create an S curve. So I have just created an already a format. I will not go into hustle because my other videos are based on some are planned and how to create planned and actual S curve. So I will not make into that hustle. I will just go here and create that one. So because I have already created a format, and first of all I will just go here in this format, and in the planned units I will just go here and paste that one. So where is my data? And I will delete this one. I do not need this one, and just go here and planned value cost. I will just copy this one and copy, and the last one copy from December, and now also I will copy this one time, copy and paste this one from the December. Ahead you can see here June 2024. Okay, so we'll remove this one, ahead July, August. Okay, so we'll not need this one. So if they are available, we don't have any issue with them. Okay, so the formula is there, like formula is like this is adding, formula is okay for the cumulative. So we have a cumulative of 6478667, but here when we go here and total this one 467600. So we are facing an issue of just going for total. So why this issue have been appeared, we'll just go here and confirm. We'll go here and just make a total. Why? Because when we total here, it is the total is okay. Value 0, 0, and this one is okay. So okay, so this value is extra. I will delete this one value. Okay, so 476000 up to, you can see here April. Okay, so the next one I will copy here, earned value cost, copy this one, and now I will just go here and paste earned value units here, and here I had this one, like I had this one, there is no value. The cost should be 4647,660, like this one, go 4647,599. So I will just go here and add 1 in 8. Okay, instead of here 1, because there are values in decimals, so it will be equal. So this is my all the value for the earned value. So you can see here my completely planned percent and earned percent, like you can see here planned value cost and S curve have been drawn. You can see here. I will just go and zoom out. So this one values, you can see here, this one values, you can move out them, you can move them out. So this one values, you can see here, this one values, like this one select, you can select and change the colors. So to see them clearly, these values are for these are earned values. Okay, black one, and this one for the, you can say here, this one planned values. These are planned values. So these were the planned and these were earned values. So you can see here in the graph. Also our and value have been finished like 47600 100%. Like we have similar 47600 100% the similar. So this is our plan. You can see here 98.55, 97.21, 99.08, 100%, 99.00. So this one is my S curve, which the task have been given, like this one, perform progress S curve. So we'll save this one. This file will be given in the description. There will be some link, so you can just go here and you have to buy from there, because to support Softedemy setup and to support whole team and to support our all cloud and hosting network, you need to support if you are willing. So you can get from file from that place. So you can also write here project title here, control save. I have saved already. So I have to perform also earned value analysis. So there is a video I have already done, you can see from that one, and also I will just do in that sheet also. So there is a EVA table. So I have already created that EVA table. Okay, so I will place planned value cost, earned value cost, and actual value cost from this sheet. So you can see in that in that video that how I have just done this one. I will just go here and paste special values, and I will just transpose, and I have just paste this on all values and just delete these values. These are extra values, and now I will just copy the intervals, the top intervals, like this one. These one are my time scales. I will just go here and paste these time scales from ahead, and you will go here and paste this one, paste values, transpose, and here I have just paste this one, delete this one, I do not need here, and also I will copy this one planned value and I will paste here in the BAC. Okay, so this one have been done already, and this one 1/12/2022 and 1/12/2022. So also we'll go here 1/11/2022, and now we have periods like 20 periods here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 20 periods. So in my this EVA charts, so it will be like 20 periods, this one ending here, the 20 periods are just ending here like this one. So these are the numbers issue, what there were values issue, it's just giving me a value issue here. Why this is value issue? Just go here and see why this value has been appearing, and performance factor, why this is performance factor issue. Okay, BAC. Okay, so what is the issue with it? Okay, it should be similar. Okay, go ahead, it should be similar. Okay, so we'll go here 669,0,999 earned value cost. Okay, wait, this one, like this one 69. Okay, this cost is extra. This 50,000 is not from this project. This 50,000, wait, when we'll add this one. Okay, so 669,099. Let me confirm what is the total of this one. 669,0,999, 669,0,664. Why there is difference in the total cost? there is some mistake I think I have done. I will just copy this one again and paste into the planned value. I will go here in the paste special values and transpose and will paste here. Okay, I have just pasted here these values, and now I will just copy this one as planned value, and now I will just go here. Okay, and paste this one from here. Now paste special values transpose. Okay, paste here. So the values have been pasted now. Also we'll copy this one and paste here this one, and now remove this one. And now what is the last actual cost? Copy this one, because sometimes the mistake have been happened in the planning engineers field, so he do not realize that what the issue he have been done. So later on when he just review and do it again, also there should be focus on your totals always. Okay, so I need here the total of 47600. Okay, so it's confirmed we have a total of this one. Okay, what is the next total? 6690911. 6690911. I will just increase here 1 here 8, so we have confirmation of 669100. So we have just actual cost confirmed here. So we'll go here, there will be no, you can see here schedule variance, you can see here schedule variance error, schedule variance in number error. So we'll go here, what we'll see here, SV in percent. So what we'll do here, schedule variance, if it's error, then if error, then write it nothing. Okay, if error, write 0. Okay, so if there is error, so it will write 0 here. So the schedule variance is 0 now. So we have a, you can see here we have a completely EVA, earned value analysis here. What this earned value analysis shows, because there is only difference in CV, our cost variance 3.32% and our accounting variance, and our finish is 103.32. So like I will just go here, select data, I will just go here and for earned value I will just find out in the sheet that this should be 21. Okay, and what about the AV? And what is AV? Is 21. It should be 21. So at this position, like you can see here, when I zoom here, when the project is finished, because the cost has been increased here, so our earned value is 100%, and our planned value is 100% this position. But about the cost and cost variance, I have already explained this one in other sheet. Cost variance is like our difference in earned value and our actual cost. So you can see here there's a difference. Also our counting variance is planned value cost and also actual cost difference 3.32 and 3.32 also. So at the finish, our actual cost have been raised at to 1.103%. So it means our budget was like 100% and we have consumed 3%, 3.32% more. So when we'll go here like this one, there we need cost and schedule performance index. So there the index was started with 1.0 and 0.96. So it like this one is the blue one is CPI. So our CPI was already below, and at some positions our schedule variance get on top and then bottom. So what we'll do, I will just go here and what I can do, maximum 1.0 and the minimum 0, and it should be like minimum, it should be like 0.75. Okay, so for this one and also for this one also. So I want to see this one in the center. Okay, so also select this data and edit and up to 21. I also need this one as 21. The value should be up to 21. I do not need a lot of hustle for that. So you can see here at 1 was started for this one CPI, and their SPI was 1. So later on the CPI has been dropped and your SPI was greater. So it means that you're consuming, you are just over budget at this position. So you have started over budget from here. Also at some position you are ahead schedule, but you are just over budget, you know. So at any position you are not getting into under budget. You are over budget always. So at the end you have achieved 1.0, but there is delay. I have already told you an unscheduled analysis that how to calculate the delay. So this one is our schedule variance index. So schedule variance index, at what position you are down than your plan. That this one is 0 is your, it's 0 is your actual. It means if this value is positive, then you are ahead the schedule. If this value is negative, you are behind the schedule. So at this position point and minus values, so you are at behind. So you can see at this one period. So this one has period like 7. You can see here like 7. You can change this one to dates also. This one is 7 is like this one on the May. So you can change this one. So whenever we'll go here and okay, this one value. So you can see here this one value. You can see here 100%, 103% higher, and this one planned value PV, and this one EV. You can see here this one sheet 1.3. So this is my completely EVA matrix table. You can get this file also from the link description is below. You have to buy that file, and this is our today's content that is based on a complete assignment assigned to the planning engineer while having an interview, and they will be assigned with 6 tasks that have been completed. So my last task, 6 tasks, perform earned value analysis, planned versus earned versus actual, have been done. I have just not go deeply to that one because I have already done videos on that one. So this is about today's content. If you guys like my video, you can just like option. So if you have any other question, if you have a suggestion, and if you if you have like if you want to send me your task, so what you have to do, you have to just go here and you have to type info@softedemy.com. So this one, and you can email to this, and you can write your task and what the tasks have been assigned. Do not write your tasks which have been assigned in your daily routine or which you have been assigned as a planner to you. Only the interviews tasks. So we'll discuss here for other users also. So if you want to contact us with WhatsApp number, you have seen my WhatsApp number here. I have given this WhatsApp number also in the description of this video. And thanks for watching Softedemy. We will meet in the next video. That will be also it will be also informative meeting, and it will be also informative video, and how interviewer have been assigned by what the question and what the task they were assigned. So thanks for watching Softedemy. We will meet in the next video, and this video have taken a lot of time because I have to explain you each and everything. If I am doing this task, so this task will not work more than 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Thanks for watching Softedemy. We are just closing out, signing off. Meet you in the next video. Keep watching Softedemy.